So this ritual is for the Ace of Cups. Similar to the Ace of Coin, this is the universe handing us something, but this is the Suit of Cups, which is emotions as well as intuition, as well as possibly relationships and some sort of insight around the people in our lives. So in today's video, what I'm doing is making a cup of tea. You can actually make whatever you want, if whatever appeals to you. It just so happens that my fanciest cup in my cupboard is a teacup. These gold-plated teacups from a set that my father got in Europe for his mother happen to be my fanciest cupware. If you have a fancy wine glass or a goblet or a stein or something like that, feel free to prepare a drink of your choice. The only kind of rule here is that you want to use a cup that you find particularly special, and you want to drink out of it. So I take the time to make a cup of tea, as well as, use some of my favorite honey and all of that. It's all a very important part of this process for me. I also like using the steeping and brewing time for tea to think about the things that I'm calling into my life, or to be grateful for the things that I have called into my life in terms of these ideas and intuitions. So that's just some ideas for how to create an act of doing around the Ace of Cups. Now, the important thing is actually sitting and drinking this. So you're going to sit down and think about what you're calling into your life, or what intuition you're looking for, what kind of aha moments you're hoping that this effort inspires. And you're going to kind of mentally brew that into what's going on in your fancy cup as well. And then with that intention set, go ahead and take sips of your liquid and kind of feel into what that does, how that impacts you, what stirs up, what kind of images bubble up in your mind, and just kind of let that be a little while and see what bubbles up for you. I'd like to know how this works for you, and if you have any questions about it, please comment below. Thank you.